Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix Android phone stuck on headphone mode 2025 guide. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Restart your phone. A simple restart can sometimes refresh the system and fix the issue. Hold down the power button until you see the restart option. Tap restart and wait for your phone to reboot. Check if the problem is resolved. Step 2. Clean the headphone port. Dirt, lint, or debris inside the headphone jack can trick your phone into thinking headphones are plugged in. Use a cotton buds, cocktail stick, or brush to gently clean the port. Make sure to remove any stock particles. If this fixes the issue, great. If not, move on to the next step. Step 3. Use a third-party app. If cleaning doesn't work, you can try an app to force audio output through the speakers. Open the Google Play Store and search for Disable Headphone. Install the app from the top search result. Open the app, select speaker, and tap test sound to check if audio plays correctly. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.